Want to build a bigger chest workout today? I'll show you the best exercises to grow your muscles fast. Let's get started. Don't skip exercise 1. Welcome back to Fit Motion. Today, we're starting with the barbell bench press chest. Keep your feet firm on the floor and push the weights up. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Moving on to barbell guillotine bench press chest. This targets your upper chest. Control the weight on the way down. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Next up is the barbell incline bench press chest. Keep a slight bend in your elbows and feel the stretch across your chest. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Now let's do barbell incline wide reverse grip bench press chest. This is the best bodyweight exercise for chest thickness. Keep your core tight and go for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 5 is the barbell pause bench press chest. Focus on the muscle contraction and maintain slow reps. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily workouts. Next is the barbell pulse incline bench press chest. Lean slightly forward to focus more on your lower chest muscles. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Next is the barbell reverse grip incline bench press chest. This helps in expanding your chest and ribcage. Keep your arms slightly bent. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Now for barbell bodyweight kneeling wide bench press chest. This targets the lower part of your chest for a complete look. Maintain a steady tempo for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Finally, we have the barbell wide reverse grip bench press chest. Finish strong and keep squeeze your chest hard on every rep. Thanks for watching and stay fit.